What's up, you guys? What?
Are you really recording?
Yeah. I got a package. Hey, Cole.
What?
Nice ass.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Hold on. I got a thing for HelloFresh. Oh, shit.
What?
What the fuck? Did I really choose to order from a really good person or what? I got a thing for HelloFresh. I'll probably just, if I can figure it out, then it'll be a giveaway or something. Because I don't use HelloFresh. I go to, I don't know. The hell? Okay, so one is a DVD. Copyright Cole.
What?
Copyright Cole.
Well, I'm sorry that I was just turning on the Xbox.
I rented this actually on Xbox or on YouTube. It's like $2.99. So, and what the fuck?
What? Oh, it's cracked?
Yeah. Last but not least, a cracked Dixie Chick CD. That's what it looks like.
Hey, which one is the Wi-Fi for here?
What did go back one? It's the AT&T.
That?
Yeah.
Password?
Fuck. I took a picture of it. That's not it.
Well, didn't you have it written down somewhere?
Yeah, I don't know what to do. Let me finish this and then I'll... But anyway, I got this with this. That's all. Bye, guys. I'm playing. No, I'll figure that out later, and it'll be a giveaway if I don't. No, yeah. I will be back. See you guys later. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Look at my movies.
Are you recording again?
I don't know why. Why?
Are you?
I'm getting ready to. Why?
Oh, I don't know. I was wondering.
You know, before I start this, like, in the comments, people are going to be asking when we're getting married, right?
Before you start what?
Hold on. After I post this video, people in the comments are going to be like, oh, y'all good couple when y'all get married. Bunch of jackasses. What are you doing?
I was just scooting that over so I could do this.
Oh, okay.
What?
I didn't say nothing. I almost forgot about my game. Y'all, I got a portable PlayStation 3.
PSP.
PlayStation Portable.
Yes.
And it comes with movies. This one is Spider-Man 2. This one is The Day After Tomorrow. The Exorcism of Emily Rose.
Nice. You didn't even look at all of them, did you?
Yeah, I did. Deuce Bigelow, European Gigolo. Okay.
What the fuck? Let me see that one.
Be careful with it because it's cracked. Chappelle's Show, Season 1 Uncensored.
It's Gigolo, not Gigolo.
Shut up. I got Men in Black. I got Rush Hour.
Where?
You see what I was talking about when I said it's cracked?
No. No.
Let's take it. Boogeyman. The Devil's Reject. This is Rob Zombie.
Yeah.
I have a Rob Zombie movie. Assault on Percent 13. Percent, whatever. And then my favorite one. Can you guess what it is? GTA Liberty City.
Surprised you didn't get that Lego Indiana Jones game.
Hold on, it's Liberty City Stories. I thought about it, but that would have costed you more.
Yeah. Well, $5, right?
Yeah. So, Rush Hour is going to be in here.
What does the case even look like?
Of what?
The PSP case.
This.
No, that. I never did look at it. What's the inside of it look like? Oh, okay. I didn't know. You know, I only had the system itself. I didn't have a case for it.
Yeah, I never had either one of them.
Well, now you do.
No, my dumbass thought you opened these
You don't.
to put them in. Well, guess what? You don't.
You want to know something funny?
What?
I had Lego Batman for that. Hell if I know what I did with it, so I probably sold it.
Wait, you had a Lego Batman?
Yeah, I had Lego Batman for that.
And you didn't want to tell me about it?
Well, I think I got rid of it before you and I even met.
Of course, before we met. Blame it on before we met.
Oh, I got rid of a lot of stuff before we met because I was still in the huge, if I trade in the GameStop, I can get this.
You were basically a little kid.
Yeah. Yep.
Damn, that literally... Yeah.
What?
That literally just says that, yeah, I'm a cradle robber.
What?
Cradle robber? Or I'm robbing the cradle?
Really?
That's what my mom says, and that's what everybody freaking says, and I hate it.
Don't listen to it.
I mean, it's kind of true, though. Okay, look. Let's get this straight. When I first saw him, I thought he was my age. He had a freaking beard.
I did, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Of course, I have a full beard. Well, I had a full beard, and I'm only 19.
And, like, you were 17.
Yeah. I started getting a beard at 16, I think.
And, like, I was like, okay, he's cute. Well, I said he was cute because he looked like somebody I had a crush on growing up.
Damn.
What?
Okay.
He was cute, too. Anyway. So, growing up, I had a crush on somebody that looked like Cole. Anyway. So, I even, found a picture on Facebook of Cole, sent it to Mom. I'm like, who does this look like to you? She was like, I don't know who. I said, doesn't it look like Brian? She goes,
Who the fuck is Brian?
guy I had a crush on when I was younger. I'll show you a picture of him later. I'm friends with him on Facebook.
Really?
Yeah, he lives across the street from Mom.
Uh-huh.
And he's the one that dated Kim, and they broke up. Yeah. SEA.
What?
I don't know. Anyway, he's putting in his password.
No email.
Esco
Will you stop?
107.
Stop. That's my email.
Oh. I know your password. Did you hear me?
Huh?
I know your password.
Okay.
But I can't tell you what it is.
Yeah, because you're recording and I'd rather you not.
But anyway, so she was like, yeah, in the glasses he looks like Brian a little bit. And so, yeah. And then we got to know each other. And then he was a sweetheart. Was. Keyword of that was. He ain't no damn sweetheart no more.
Like both my accounts.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I didn't. Because it shouldn't have popped up on my other one. Cause
Well, do you think...
maybe I'll link the two. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I don't remember doing that.
CPS lit up. And then the other one just like a weird. What?
Yeah.
No, Val's husband could find you on there and add you.
On 360?
Yeah, you could Xbox and Xbox 360. You could add.
Yeah, but I'll take maybe have both. But
Rep. You're a rep.
Reputation on Xbox. That's what it used to be.
Oh, that means you got a bad reputation. Bad reputation. You know we got a big reputation. Don't you worry about me. Oh, I got some big enemies. The funny part is he doesn't fucking know what the hell I'm singing.
No, I don't.
It's Taylor Swift.
I was about to say, and I can honestly care less. And I do.
Oh, you do care about Taylor?
You know what I mean.
Oh, you do care less. Okay. But anyway, this is really cool, to be honest. I wonder if they're scratched. Oh, shit.
What?
It's got fingerprints.
Well, those can easily be taken care of.
Yeah, just take them to Randy.
Yeah.
Now I'm scared about the CDs.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody tried to clean it with water.
What?
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, a little bit.
Time for to see about disc number 2. If disc number 2 is fucked up, I'm going to be pissed. And I say that because disc number 2 has my favorite song on it. It came with a souvenir. It's got a little bit of scratches in it. But other than that, it's fine. The case is broke, though. So, it's all good. I want to see this, though. Okay. But, yeah. You know what's funny? I've already seen this concert. Did you hear me, Cole? I already seen this concert.
Oh.
Literally. No. Dude.
What?
This is in Kentucky. This is in Louisville, Kentucky. This is at the Freedom Hall in Louisville, Kentucky.
Okay.
I forgot they came to Louisville on that tour. I forgot. That's awesome. I remember I wanted to go to that concert so bad. I was alone.
Excuse me. Sorry.
My first words was, I want to go to a Dixie Chicks concert.
Sure.
Kyle thought that was funny. Didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, it comes with lyrics. Okay, I'm gonna sing a line and I'm gonna see if you know it, Cole. Wait. I'm not going to.
Yeah, I was about to say, I'm waiting.
I'm sick. Okay, you know what? Hold on. I'm gonna find one. Marianne and Wanda were the hold on, what was it? Marianne and Wanda were the best of friends all through their high school days.
Isn't that the one you showed me?
'Cause Earl had to die.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What's the lyrics to Cold Day in July?
What?
What's the lyrics to Cold Day in July?
I don't know.
I know you don't. I'm asking myself.
Well, now that when you sing it to me, I'm gonna, because it's cold day in July. So you don't even have to sing it now.
Okay, fine. I will say this. There is one on here that he may know. But it's a cover.
And that would be?
A Fleetwood Mac song. Can't take it, then I'm going to be able to sing it to you.
Well, then sing it.
Landslide.
That's the name of the song?
Yeah. It's a Fleetwood Mac cover. I don't know the words to that one.
Okay.
So, okay. Okay, that's it. Adios, amigo. Great concert. So, Cole, what's your favorite Dixie Chick song?
I don't have one.
Okay, out of the ones that I showed you, which one did you like?
No.
You should hear their new one, Gaslighter.
Uh-huh.
Hold on, I showed you Natalie Maine's cover of Pink Floyd.
Yeah.
Did you like that one?
Yeah.
He liked it, y'all.
Not really.
Yeah, you did.
I like Pink Floyd's version.
Really? I liked her version.
Uh-huh.
I liked her
We're
version.
two different people. We have somewhat different taste in music.
No, we need to break up. We don't have anything in common. Get out of my house. Bye. His ass ain't going nowhere. Alright, I am coming at 15 minutes. Anyway, I'm going to figure out how to work this. If not, I am going to put it in a giveaway. You know, I have no clue. 12 free meals. Hey, Cole, do you know how to cook?
I guess.
Do you like to cook?
Not really.
They don't do mac and cheese.
Really?
No. You cannot connect to the website. You be trying to watch PORN on my damn TV?
No, it was purchase history on my Xbox account.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Mine's getting ready to expire.
Okay.
We'll talk later. Anyway, I'll see. I don't know. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Everybody give a shout out to Cole.
No. No one's going to either way.
You don't know that Val is. Val is a, what is Val? Hold on, what is Val? Put my name sock back on.
Oh, yes, I'm sure the viewers wanted to see that.
Jedi Knight, what the hell is that? You got a lot pending.
Yep.
Hold up, that was an original Xbox game?
Yep. Star Wars Jedi Knight, Jedi Academy, and then so was...
Are those free?
No, they're just what I had with already for Xbox 360 and Xbox original. But then I have Lego Indiana Jones, Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wars, Advanced Warfighter 2, Skate 3, and Skate Share Pack, which is an add-on for Skate 3. Thought I had more than that, but you know.
Congratulations. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys loved it. Let's give a shout out to Cole. Nope. Oh, what I meant to say was Val is a really amazing friend, and she will give a shout out to you. Because she likes you.
Okay.
Nice ass again. Any kids watching? Yeah. My boyfriend is a nice ass. Do Call of Duty Ghost.
Alright.
I never played that, or never even seen that one. Alright, that's it. I'm going to watch him play this. Bye, guys.